Grade 8, Unit 5. Lesson 1. Do you know how to use a computer? A desktop computer is a computer designed to be used on a table or desk. It has a monitor, a CPU, a keyboard and a mouse. A monitor is an output device that often looks similar to a television screen. It is a computer screen on which words or pictures or graphics can be shown. It allows you to see what the computer is doing or processing. A keyboard is a typewriter-style device used to input text into a computer. It has keys for cursor movement and entering commands. It is composed of buttons that create letters, numbers, and symbols. A mouse is a small device that is used to guide the cursor on a computer screen. It usually has two buttons. Press the left button, a left click, to select objects, and the right one, a right click, to open menus. In addition, there is a scroll wheel between the buttons. It allows the user to easily turn the wheel, up or down, to view the contents the user wants to. A CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer and performs all types of data processing operations. It stores data, results and instructions. It is usually in the CPU tower.